Parliament is going to convene and who are going to be the speakers, what's expected in the Parliament. Let's get you the breaking updates coming in after 1 week of disruptions in the Parliament with even protests taking place outside. The stage is all set for the mega debate today in the Parliament on Operation Sindoor. After the tussle on the battlefield with Pakistan, the government will now go to war with the opposition in the Parliament, where the centre will look to separate facts from the fakery. Now, ever since Operation Sindoor was launched, the opposition has demanded a special session of the Parliament and has repeatedly demanded a statement from the Prime Minister himself. Now, the opposition need not wait much longer, as the day is finally here when they will get to hear from the top voices within the government itself, and even the Prime Minister, who is expected to intervene in both the houses of the Parliament. The debate is expected to begin at 12 p.m. this afternoon in the Lok Sabha. Let's tell you a bit more about the contours of this debate in the Parliament and what can be expected. It's a big day, of course. Remember, the opposition was very, very clear that they want the Prime Minister to speak up as well. They had asked for a special session, and the government had said that in this monsoon session, there will be a discussion on Operation Sindoor, and that is what is expected. So let's talk about what is actually going to happen. Of course, it's going to begin today. So this is the day that the opposition has been asking for. The day is finally here. And let's also talk about the number of hours that have been allotted. 16 hours has been allotted for the debate that will be taking place in the Lok Sabha. Whereas in the Rajya Sabha, the debate will take place tomorrow. Again, 16 hours being allotted for the same. So in both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha, there will be discussions with both the Treasury as well as the opposition benches speaking up on that. My colleagues Niyamika and Pragya joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Pragya, take us through what is expected today, because this was one of the biggest demands of the opposition, of having a session where they can speak up on Operation Sindoor. They wanted answers from the government as well. What's expected today? Who are the speakers going to be? Take us through the details.
Well, top ministers are going to be, speaking on this particular debate, and we are given to understand that Defence Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh is going to begin this special discussion on Operation Sindoor. What we are getting to know is that many of the MPs who had gone as part of delegation in various countries, speaking about exposing, in fact, Pakistan's state-sponsored terrorism, they're also going to be part of that. Shrikant Shinde from, Shinde Group is going to be, Shiv Sena is going to be one of the speakers, but we are given to understand that Mr. S. Jaishankar and Mr. Amit Shah can also, be part of this particular discussion, because these are the ministries that are involved in whole Operation Sindoor. Prime Minister is also going to be speaking on Operation Sindoor, what we are given to understand, but the time and date is going to be decided by the PMO itself. So, it's going to be a very stormy debate as well, because opposition, in fact, is also getting ready to debate Pahalgam terror attack, and many of the questions that have been raised by the opposition about why the terrorists involved in Pahalgam terror attack have yet not been apprehended. And also, Congress has been making this point about US President Donald Trump claiming 26th time that he stopped India-Pakistan hostilities. So all of that is going to be raised by opposition parties. In fact, Congress has got 3 hours in this 16-hour debate, and we are given to understand that Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are going to be participating in this debate as well. But government is ready. They will be valorizing the bravery of the defense forces. But we are also given to understand that Prime Minister has already spoken about the Vijayotsav, that the monsoon session, and in fact all the parliamentarians should celebrate, given the fact that India has shown its might to the world. If there is any threat to the sovereignty of country, in fact, that is going to be the theme of those who will be speaking from the Treasury benches side.
Okay, all right. So the Prime Minister is also expected to speak up, and in fact, the opposition has raised some of these issues. So let's talk about what the opposition is going to raise. They have, of course, also spoken about the security concerns. They spoke about what happened in Pahalgam, and they have also spoken about India's response. Many of the statements that the opposition had made had also garnered some controversy. Then they latched on to the statement that was made by the US President Donald Trump as well. So the opposition wanted answers from the centre. Today, as the centre prepares to respond in a debate, the NDA says the opposition must not run away or disrupt the House. as the center educates them and the rest of the country on how Operation Sindoor was successfully conducted.
जब से सदन शुरू हुआ है हम तैयार थे। हमें संसदीय कार्य मंत्री माननीय रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह जी ने स्पष्ट कहा कि हम तैयार हैं, लेकिन विपक्ष की मंशा नहीं। कई सत्र पीछे देख लो, हर बार खबरों में बना रहते हैं। हम विकास की बात कहते हैं, हम चर्चा की बात करते हैं कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र का मंदिर लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, संसद, उसमें चर्चा करो, लेकिन वो खबर में बनाना चाहते हैं। और तभी देखो, हम सबको चुनती जनता आवाज बनने के लिए, चर्चा करने के लिए। चर्चा करने से चीजें निकलती हैं, लेकिन चर्चा से भागते हैं। वो तो कोई कागज लेकर डस्टबिन में फेंकते हैं। यही क्या लोकतंत्र का मजाक समझ रखा इन्होंने। कभी सदन में पर्चा फेंकते हैं, कभी कुछ करते हैं। ये देश की जनता सब देखती है। आपको चुनकर इसलिए नहीं भेजा कि आप दिन भर खड़े होकर हल्ला करो, फिर पर्चे फाड़ के फेंको,